Hi guys, have you ever wondered what connects the fuel powering your car and the plastic wrapping your snacks? The answer lies in a fascinating group of compounds called alkenes. Alkenes are the hydrocarbons that contain at least one carbon double bond. This double bond gives alkenes their unique chemical properties and sets them apart from other hydrocarbons like alkenes. Actually, alkenes follow the general formula CnH2n, meaning that the number of hydrogen atoms is always double the number of carbon atoms.
There are several reactions of alkenes. For the first reaction, which is the addition reaction, we can see from the example over here, which is the 2-methyl-2-butane. When it reacts with HCl, which is the hydrogen halides, with the presence of CCl4 as the catalyst, it will form 2-chloro-2-methylbutane because it follows the Markovnikov's rule. Markovnikov's rule is when the hydrogen is added to the carbon with a greater number of hydrogen. However, for the next one, it follows the anti-Markovnikov's rule because the catalyst is ROOR. So it will form 3-bromo-2-methylbutane. Next, if it reacts with the water in the acidic condition, it will form 2-methyl-2-butanol. Lastly, the addition of hydrogen in the presence of nickel as the catalyst will form 2-methylbutane. For the next reaction of alkenes, which is the combustion. Combustion is when the alkenes react with oxygen. For example, if butane reacts with oxygen, it will form carbon dioxide and water.
Assalamualaikum everyone. So I will continue with the reaction of alkenes, which is polymerization. Polymerization is a process where monomers, which is a small molecule like alkenes, bonded together to form a large molecule called polymer. One type of polymerization is addition polymerization. In this process, the double bond of alkenes molecule will break one by one, and the molecules will link together rapidly to form a polymer chain. For example, vinyl chloride, which is an alkene, undergoes polymerization to form a polyvinyl chloride, which known as PVC, that we use nowadays in cables and pipes. So in summary, polymerization of alkenes is like building a long chain from identical links, turning a simple things to useful products every day.
Let's move on with the uses of the alkenes. Alkenes can also be used in our daily life. For example, in agriculture, ethylene, which is an simplest alkenes, is the first identified plant hormone that is known to regulate numerous processes in the plant growth, development, and also it is response towards the abiotic process and biotic process. Not just that, ethylene are also known for its effects towards the fruit ripening and also organ abscission. From here, we can see that ethylene is a very commercial importance in the agriculture. Alright, alkenes can also be used in the medicinal industry. For example, polyethylene glycol, whereas the polyethylene is the polymer that is made from the monomer called ethylene, which is an alkenes. From here, polyethylene glycol will prevent and treats the occasional constipation by increasing the amount of water that your intestines will absorb. Not just that, but it will soften the stools and making it easier for your bowel movement.
In conclusion, alkenes are very important compounds in our daily lives. Their special double bonds makes them reactive and allows them to be used in many chemical reactions, such as making plastic and fuels. These reactions help create products we use every day, like packaging, car fuel, and even clothing. Alkenes are truly essential for industry and modern life. That's all from us. Thank you for watching.